Good day and welcome to our video. I am Jasper from Golden Detector Company in Abu Dhabi. For today's video, I will review to you the origin of the new device from GeoGround. It all started with a device called Gold Legend, known in long-range locator technology and its accuracy. After the success of the Gold Legend device in treasure hunting and gold prospecting, most of the users requested to produce a long-range technology together with a 3D ground scanner technology device. And it's been granted by the GeoGround. And now here it is, the Gold Vision device with the technology of the long-range locator and 3D ground scanner. Let's review both devices so that you can see the differences and similarity. So now we have this Gold Legend locator. So as you can see, this is the appearance. So the LCD is colored and we have this navigation button. On this part, there is a 2 antenna recipient. You can make it longer and shorter. You can adjust. And also, there is a part here, there is a LED light. On this part, laser. And this is the smart sensor. So all detachable. And on the handle, there is a trigger button. Lock and unlock for the handle. And then now, let's proceed to the screen. So we have this long-range system. Let's check for it, and we have this target available. So we have bronze, cavity, copper, diamond, gemstone, gold ore, gold treasure, gold veins, iron, platinum, and lastly, the silver. So on this case, if you are going to select bronze, for example, it will only search for bronze. So there is no other type of target that it will search. And just go down. Here, you can select the type of soil, what type of soil you have on the ground. So you have a selection for high mineral, low mineral, normal, rocky, sand, stony, and lastly, wet. So now, let's go down. And the distance, you can adjust. It's adjustable. So it depends on you if how long you want the device to detect. And this one is up to 3,000 meters. Maximum is 3,000 meters. And then, for the depth, you can adjust this one up to 40 meters. So it depends on you if how depth or how deep you want the device to search or detect. Maximum is 40 meters. So all the target or the settings that you made is displayed here. Bronze, high mineral soil, distance 3,000 and depth is 40. So after that, you can calibrate and you can now use the long-range locator to search for the selected target. Let's proceed to the free mode. On this case, free mode, same settings for the soil, distance, depth, and result, of course. And but the difference from the long range is the frequency. So on this part, free mode, you will select the specific frequency that you want. Frequency of the target. Let's move on to smart depth. On this case, smart depth, after using the long range or free mode, you can use this smart depth to determine the exact depth of the target or the selected target. And here we have another one, Ionic. So on this case, Ionic, it will locate for the ionic content of the target, and it's for all types of metals. So you will see like this. And then reset. You can press this trigger button for reset. And there is a target So it will until it reach 100, meaning the device is near on the target. If the cavity is reaching to 100 or going higher, meaning that the device is detecting a cavity. So let's proceed to the Bionic system. In this case, Bionic system, it will you have to lock the target, like for example gold bracelet, before searching in area that you want to search. So meaning if you lock the gold bracelet, it will look only for the content of the gold bracelet. And lastly, settings. We have here all the settings: time, display, sound, languages, and information of the device. Let's proceed on the Gold Vision device. So let's check the appearance. So we have this LCD color display. We have also navigation button, LED flashlight, laser, parabolic antenna, and 2 antenna recipient, adjustable. And we have also the smart sensor. It's detachable. Handle, detachable handle. This is a trigger button. We have also a lock and unlock for the handle. And let's go to the system available. So first, we have 3D ground scan, and we're going to connect it with the tablet. Just press this ground scan, and then press or tap the Bluetooth icon, then it's connected. Just tap the 3D ground scan, and let's check. We have this settings. We have path. So if it's up to you if you want parallel or zigzag. We have also direction, left or right. We have also this type, manual or auto. Lines, you can adjust number of lines and pulses. And then after that, you can start the scanning, and I will show you the example. So we have files. You can save it here, the one that you've scanned. So let's check for an example. So as you can see, you can view it in 2D and also in 3D. And this button is the reset, or tap this icon, and wireframe or a column. This one is the wireframe, if you want to view it in wireframe. Also, we have this data of each column. We have also the depth for each column. Like for example, this color red, meaning it is giving you 1.1 meters. So you can see there. So if red color meaning metallic object, green color is for the ground, and blue color is for cavity or space under the ground. So let's reset, and you can see also you have to select the type of soil that you have on the ground. It's like it's available neutral, concrete, salt, and we have sandy, clay, low mineral. We have also high mineral, stony, fresh water, salty water, snow, or snowy, or frosty dirt, coal, granite, or salt. You have to select the type of soil that you want, or that you have, I mean. So also, you can choose this one by color. You can remove the color blue, light blue. For the light blue, it's the light cavity. For the green one is the ground. Yellow one is the natural mineral. And red is for the metallic object. So it's up to you how you want to analyze this, the captured image. And then also, you can select settings for this 3D plot color. You have jet, hot. We have also this parula. We have color and spring. So this is the normal, it's the jet. So as you can see, all the settings for the for the 3D ground scanner, you can view it here in the GeoGround Analyzer. So it's better here because it's going to give you a complete details. And now let's proceed to the other system. So now we have long range also. So for this long range, you can select the specific target. Like we have available bronze, cavity, copper, diamond, gemstone, gold ore, gold treasure, gold veins, iron, platinum, and lastly the silver. So for example, you will choose platinum. So if you choose platinum, it will only search for platinum, no other type of target. After that, select the type of soil available is high mineral, low mineral, normal rocky, sand, stony, and lastly wet ground. And we can also adjust the distance if how long you want the device to detect or search. So this one is up to 3,000 meters. And then after that, you will select the depth. So the depth is up to or maximum 40 meters. So it depends on you how depth or how deep you want the device to detect or to search. Up to 40 meters. After that, just go down and go to the search, and all the settings that you made is already on the display. Platinum wet, 3,000 meters distance, and depth is 40 meters. So after that, you can start the scanning by calibrating it, and then after that, scan the area that you want. After that, we have also free mode. But the difference from the long range, this one free mode is you will choose the specific frequency. But the soil type, distance, depth, search is all same with the long range. So on this one, smart depth, after using the long range or the free mode, you can use the smart depth to determine the exact depth of the target. And Ionic, this Ionic system. So as you can see, this Ionic system is looking for ionic content or for all metals, this device, this Ionic system. And you can see there, if it is going higher or going 100%, meaning the device is detecting a metallic object and it's near on that device. For cavity, it will if it is going to reach 100%, meaning it is near on the cavity or space under the ground. So we have also this Bionic system. So Bionic system, you have to lock one target, like gold bracelet for example. If you lock the target by pressing this one, after locking for the gold bracelet, it will only look for the content same of the gold bracelet. And then after the lock, you can search on the area. And we have also the settings. So time, display, sound, languages. I will show the languages available. And lastly, the information of the device. And also, it comes with the serial number of the device. For inquiries for the Gold Legend and Gold Vision device, we are happy to assist you. You can contact us directly in the number shown in the screen, and it's available in WhatsApp, Viber, and Botin.